Today is day 19 of our Advent unboxing. So here we have a special little box, and inside are some exclusive goodies that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's open it up. And I hope you'll be able to save some of this gorgeous ribbon and some of the packaging to reuse for gifting. So there are a lot of little goodies inside this box. So first of all, I want to show you our brand new webbing. We have over 16 styles of webbing on our website coming this January. So you guys who purchased the Advent box are the first ones to get your hands on this. So there's a variety of different webbings included. So yours might look a little different, but let me tell you, you are going to have so much fun working with this webbing. It's a lot of fun to pair with different cottons and faux leather. Decorative, wide woven webbing is very popular, very trendy on boutique style bags, and I think you'll find that once you start noticing in stores, you're gonna see that a lot of bags are using webbing, and you'll wanna jump on this trend. A wider strap is very comfortable when you're carrying a lot of weight on your shoulder, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun choosing the different patterns. So you get a length of the webbing to create your strap. Also included is the hardware. So you get 2 3/4 inch wide swivels, and then you have a 2-pack of 1.5 inch wide slider buckles. So you'll have an extra buckle, and then you also get either some faux leather or cork fabric that will coordinate with your webbing. So you'll use all of these components, plus included with these components is the Make a Strap pattern. So the Make a Strap pattern includes a variety of different straps. It is the go-to pattern for making different straps. There's a buckle strap option and a couple different options using the faux leather. So you'll want to go to the website using the code included on the box sticker to download the Make a Strap pattern. So I hope you enjoyed today's gift, and I can't wait to see how your bag strap turns out. And I'll see you tomorrow to open up another present.